Namaste, welcome to Nepalish. In this channel, we are excited to guide you on an incredible journey of learning the Nepali language. This course is designed for everyone, whether you have no previous knowledge of Nepali or just want to brush up on your skills. By the end of this course, you will be able to read, write, and converse in Nepali with confidence and enjoyment. Now, let's talk about how to use this course effectively. The course is divided into multiple units, each featuring dialogues that exemplify and bring to life the new grammar introduced in that unit. Nepali is written in Devanagari script, which is also used by Hindi and Sanskrit. One of the great things about Devanagari is that it is pronounced as it is written. The script is written from left to right and has no capital letters. Each character is completed with a head stroke, and the words should hang from the printed line like washings put out to dry, rather than standing on the lower line like in the Roman script. While writing, it's important to maintain the overall proportions of the characters carefully. Each character should fill about 2/3 of the space between your printed lines. Now that you have a glimpse of the script, we will start our journey by learning the alphabets in the Devanagari script. In our next video, we will dive into vowels in Devanagari. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out.